Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to use Shareplay via Messages app on your iPhone. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. If you want to share a video or music on your Messages app while you talk about it with your friends, then follow these steps. First of all, open an app that supports this feature. For example, Apple Music or Spotify. I'll open my Spotify. Then select the music that you want to share. Once you do that, tap on the share button. After that, tap on this more button. Then you will see this option Shareplay, which is green in color. Tap on it. Now select the friends that you want to add in this group. Once you select all the members, tap on the messages icon. After that, tap on the send button. Once you do that, it will start the Shareplay feature. Now, the other participant has to join the activity, and once they have joined, then Shareplay feature will be turned on. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.